Provision of basic services to its citizens is the prime responsibility of government. Citizens and civil societies can hold government responsible on the quality of service delivery through mechanism of social accountability. Experts say service delivery is weak in Pakistan because of the weak governance structure.
The country has numerous governance challenges, starting from the top one, which is the political deadlock between the judiciary and the government in power. Then the governance challenge is at the service delivery level.
I think this is not different.
Experts believe management of public resources can be made effective and efficient by involving those citizens who are also the recipient. This demand-side accountability cannot become potent unless citizens become aware of this method of accountability and demand their social rights.
Unless the citizens engage with the service provider and even public institutions, we don't think we can really say social accountability objectives are achieved.
Citizens' basic responsibility.
Experts say bad public image of civil society organizations is a major hurdle in converting the concept of social accountability into a social movement.
Capacity is one issue, capacity of not just of the civil society organizations who would be doing the social accountability work, but also of the citizens with whom they'd be working for them to engage better.
Now, it's very linked to the context.
Experts stress civil society organizations should take serious measures to bridge the gap between the existing quality of service delivery and public expectations. This can be ensured by making the whole process transparent and more inclusive. Media can play a vital role to ensure it. With cameraman Sohail Malik, Kashmala Chaudhary, SDTV, Islamabad.